Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. In this tutorial, how to install Zabbix Server 7.2 on Ubuntu 22.04 server. This is my IP address and server resource. Now I am checking server version and IP address. This is Ubuntu and this is my IP address. Okay, the server should be update and upgrade using this command. Upgrade done. Now install some package, CA certificate. Auto remove command is pending. Now run this apt auto remove. Dependency package not installed. Okay, now installed. Now install PHP some package. Now download Zabbix 7.2 .deb package and extract this package using dpkg option I. Now apt update command and then install required package. I am using Nginx web server, not use Apache. Press Y for accept all installation. All script installation done. Now install MySQL database server. apt install MySQL server. MySQL database installation done. Now start MySQL service. Start MySQL service and enable this MySQL service. Check status. The service is properly running. Yes, 8 seconds ago. Now step 2, configure database. You can replace your password zabbix@123. Now I am logging to MySQL terminal using blank password and then reset my root password using this command. This is my root password. Update this root password using native MySQL password and then create for Zabbix user password. Import Zabbix default database using created database. No file search. Okay, I think this is file destination SQL script MySQL server. Yes, this is for new location MySQL database. Yes, and then type Zabbix user password zabbix@123 for import default database into your server. It will take up to 3 to 5 minutes. Default database import done. Now again going to MySQL terminal using change password. Okay, now set global settings. Okay, successfully done. Step 4, add database name, database username and user password into this server conf file. Scroll down and default login. This is default Zabbix DB name is empty or using hash, and then set up web server nginx, and then type your server IP address and remove comment section hash mark, and then type your IP address, or if you use your domain name, so you can input here, and listen port must be 80. This is web port, and then restart all services. It should be Apache service stop, because Ubuntu sometime auto installed Apache service. Then restart server MySQL agent and nginx, and then enable all services. Access your server IP address for complete web installation process. Welcome 7.2 Zabbix installation. All status is green mark. OK status. This is database name, username and password. This is for Zabbix user password. Pre-installation summary. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. After web installation done, default login is admin and password is Zabbix. A must be capital, otherwise you cannot log in. Zabbix server is running properly. Value is yes, 7.2. You can find more tutorial from my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.